హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ఇవాళ నేను సెలెక్ట్ చేసేది సాంగ్ అయితే కాదు, ఓకే, క్లాస్ చెప్తాను అనుకుంటున్నాను. ఎందుకంటే జనరల్గా అయితే నేను ఒక హార్డ్ టాపిక్ తెచ్చి చెప్తే ఎవరు వినొచ్చు వినకపోవచ్చు. బట్ నేను ఏంటంటే చూస్ చేసుకుంటే ఒక చిన్న టాపిక్, పెద్ద హార్డ్ ఏం కాదు, బట్ అందరూ వినదగిందే కాబట్టి. సో జస్ట్ బ్యాలెన్సింగ్ ఏ కెమికల్ ఈక్వేషన్. ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు డిస్కస్ అబౌట్ బ్యాలెన్స్ ఏ కెమికల్ ఈక్వేషన్. యాక్చువల్లీ ఇట్స్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఎందుకంటే మనం ఎక్కడ ఏం తీసుకున్నా సరే జస్ట్ ఇలా మనం ఈక్వేషన్ చూడగానే ఎలా పడితే అలాగే మనకు కల్పిస్తుంది. బట్ ఇట్ హ్యావ్ సమ్ ఆర్డర్. సో ఆర్డర్ ప్రకారం మనం బ్యాలెన్సింగ్ చేస్తే కరెక్ట్గా ఏ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి, అవి అనేది ఏది ఫస్ట్ బ్యాలెన్స్ చేయాలనేది చాలా చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఓకే, యాక్చువల్లీ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ నెంబర్ నాకు తెలిసి చాలా వరకు ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ నెంబర్ అంటే ఏంటో తెలియకపోవచ్చు. Frequency number. What is frequency number? Okay, the frequency number of places at which an element occurs in a chemical equation. A chemical equation తీసుకున్నా, so number of places, ఈజీగా చెప్పాలంటే కనుక number of places in a chemical equation. So that is called frequency number. For example, KNO3 that gives KNO2 plus O2. So how many elements are involved? How many varieties of elements are involved? Potassium, nitrogen, oxygen. Potassium, nitrogen, oxygen. Frequency number means the potassium number of places in total equation. Not only products, not only reactants. So I think you know very well about these are the reactants and products. So in this, the number of places of potassium, how many places? 1 and 2. So this is a frequency number. And nitrogen, the how many places? 1 and 2. So that frequency number is 2. Oxygen, how many places? 1, 2, 3. So that is the F number. Frequency number means so the number of places occupied in the total chemical equation. So that is called frequency number. The frequency number of occurrence of various elements in an equation, in short, is called F number. F number means frequency number. First of all, any chemical equation, we have to identify the frequency number first. Okay? So write frequency number. So that is the rule 1. And the rule 2, first start balancing with the least frequency number. Start balancing with the least frequency number. So least frequency number first. So after that the increasing order of frequency number. Okay. So here the same frequency number, what we do? Okay. So order ఏం చెప్పారు? సో లీస్ట్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ నెంబర్ ఏది ఉంటే ఫస్ట్ దానికి మనకి బ్యాలెన్స్ చేయమని చెప్పారు. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ లీస్ట్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ పొటాషియం ఉంది, నైట్రోజన్ ఉంది, అలాగే ఆక్సిజన్ అనేది థర్డ్ ప్లేస్. సో అయితే ఇఫ్ సేమ్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ నెంబర్ then what we'll do? So if same frequency number, then we can give the first choice is metallic element first. So that's why the order is first balancing potassium, the second balancing nitrogen, and third balancing oxygen. Is right? Clear? Is it clear? So you can write the frequency number. And the next one, first start balancing a chemical equation, the least frequency number. Okay? So the next one, the other elements also undergoes so the increasing order of frequency number. Okay? So if same frequency number is there, first we can give the first preference to metallic element first. Okay? If same frequency number they are metals, then we can give the first preference to highest atomic number. At the same time, non-metals also same. If non-metals also same, so first we can give the first preference to. So nitrogen is a non-metal. So two or more non-metals are there. First we can give the first preference to highest non-metallic element. Is it clear? I will give some examples, then you have a clarity. Okay? So next one, order this one. So ma'am, how can we identify metals and non-metals? So I will give some metals and non-metals. I think so. The total non-metals 11 only. So then you can identify that one easily. Okay. The least frequency number is both potassium and nitrogen. But potassium is a metal, so that's why we can give the first preference to metallic elements. So that's why first to balance potassium. So how can, so this one, the reactant side 1 potassium, the product side also 1 potassium. So it is balanced. Next nitrogen, the second preference is nitrogen. So one nitrogen and here also 1 nitrogen. So this is also balanced. Next oxygen, third order is oxygen. So this is 3 and these 4. How can it balance? 2 KNO3 gives rise to 2 KNO2 plus O2. Check it once. Check it once. 2 potassium, 2 potassium, 2 nitrogens, 2 nitrogens. 2 3s are 6 oxygens, 2 2s are 4 plus 2, 6 oxygens. Is it clear? So it is balanced or not? Yes. Clear? So how can we identify ma'am? So metals or non-metals? I will give some examples of metals. Atomic numbers. Okay? So some metals. Sodium, magnesium, aluminium. Next calcium, chromium, manganese, iron, nickel, copper, barium, iron, mercury, lead. So you must know the atomic numbers also. So sodium 11, sodium 11. Magnesium 12, aluminium 13 and calcium 20, chromium 24, manganese 25, iron 26, nickel 28, copper 29, barium 56, rm 79, mercury 80 and lead 82. Okay. Next, non-metals. We have total non-metals 11 only. So non-metals and atomic numbers. So hydrogen, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, next silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, bromine and iodine. So atomic numbers 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 14, 15, 16, 17, 35 and 53. Okay. Balancing a chemical equation. How to balance a chemical equation according to frequency number. So how can we identify the frequency number? First of all, we discuss the frequency number, the number of places in a total chemical equation. So that is called frequency number. So how to balance the equation? The reactant side, the product side, the number of elements are equal or not. So that is balance a chemical equation. Okay, next. So the frequency of occurrence of various elements in an equation in short is called the frequency number. Okay. For example, potassium, nitrogen and oxygen. So we can first of all we have to write the rules. What is rules? The first rule is first of all we can write the frequency number and the next frequency number. So if the same frequency number is there, we have to give the first preference to metallic element first. Then same metal, so same frequency number is there first. Metallic elements, so next same metals are there. First we have to first preference to highest atomic number, and after that at the same time the non-metals also same. If non-metals also same is there, all non-metals, the highest non-metallic element first we can give the first preference. Okay. So these are the rules for balancing a chemical equation. So how can we identify the metals and non-metals? So metals and non-metals. So some metallic examples and some non-metals examples is there. Okay, clear? So I will give a best example. So calcium hydrogen carbonate, CaHCO3 twice plus calcium hydroxide gives rise to calcium carbonate plus water. So first we can write the varieties of elements. So here elements and frequency number and next order. Okay, order. So the elements calcium, hydrogen, carbon, oxygen. ఇవి కాకుండా ఇంకేమైనా ఉన్నాయా? No. Okay, frequency number. The frequency number is what? The number of places in the total chemical equation. So calcium ఎక్కడెక్కడ ఉంది చూడండి. 1, 2, 3 అంతే. Number of places only 3. Hydrogen 1, 2 and 3. And carbon 1, 2. And oxygen 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4. Okay, clear? Next, order. So the order first, start balancing with the least frequency number. So what is the least frequency number? Carbon. So first order is 1. First to balance carbon atoms. Next, if same frequency number, then we can give the first preference to metallic elements. So second preference and third preference and next one fourth preference. Okay, clear? Next, so carbons we can check. So here 2 carbon atoms are there in the reactants and only 1 carbon atom. So that's why the calcium carbonate multiplied by the numeral 2. So CaHCO3 twice plus calcium hydroxide to form CaCO3 plus water. Is it clear? Next one. So this is 2. So carbon atoms. So here 2 carbon atoms. Clear. Next, balancing with calcium atom. So 1, 2 and here also 2. So calcium also balanced. So the next balance hydrogen atoms. Check it once. Hydrogen atoms. Here 2 hydrogen atoms are there. Here 2 hydrogen atoms are there. So that's why. So total 4 hydrogen atoms in the reactant side. So here only 2 hydrogen atoms are there. So that's why the water molecule can be multiplied by the numeral 2. Check it once now. 2 hydrogens, 4 hydrogens. So here 2 2s are 4 hydrogens balanced. So the next balance are oxygen atoms. Check it once. 3 2s are 6. Here 2, 6 plus 2, 8 oxygen atoms. Here 2 3s are 6 plus 2, 8 oxygen atoms. It is also balanced. So this is balancing a chemical equation. So I will take one more example. This is very common. So Al2CO3 twice plus HNO3 gives rise to AlNO3 thrice plus CO2 plus water. Okay. So aluminium carbonate react with nitric acid to form aluminium nitrate plus carbon dioxide plus water. This is one more example. So balance this chemical equation according to frequency number. So frequency numbers you know very well about this one. So frequency number, first of all we are going to discuss about the frequency number. You can write the number of elements, means the number of varieties of elements is there. So first of all write elements. So what are the elements? Aluminium, oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen. Okay. So frequency number, aluminum number of places in the total equation, how many? 1 and 2. The carbon number of places, 1 and 2. Oxygen number of places, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And hydrogen number of places, 1 and 2. And nitrogen number of places, 1 and 2. Okay, clear? So 4 frequency numbers are same. What we can do? So first, we can give the first preference to least frequency number. So least frequency numbers, 4 elements are there. First, we can give the preference to metallic element first. So metal, aluminum is a metal. So that's why the first order is first, this one. And carbon, hydrogen and nitrogen, 3 are non-metals. Then same non-metals, what we can give the rule? The rule is the highest atomic number. So what is the carbon? According to carbon and hydrogen, nitrogen, what is the highest atomic number? Is nitrogen. So that's why the second preference this one. And next, the decreasing order of atomic number. So that is what? So first preference and third and fourth and fifth. This is the order of balancing. Okay. So first balance the aluminum atoms. Aluminum atoms. So 1 into the order, first balance the aluminum atoms. Here 2 aluminum atoms are there. In the product side only 1 aluminum is there. So that's why aluminum nitrate can be multiplied by 2. Multiplied by 2. So that's why Al2CO3 thrice plus HNO3 gives rise to 2Al NO3 thrice plus CO2 plus H2. This is the equation, the balancing of aluminum. Okay. So aluminum atoms balanced. Okay, is this clear? Aluminum atoms balanced. Next order nitrogen. Next order is nitrogen. Total nitrogen atoms here, 1 only is there in the reactant side. Here NO3 thrice is there. So here 3 and 2. 3 2s are 6 nitrogen atoms are there. So 6 nitrogen atoms, so that's aluminum carbonate plus 6 HNO3 gives rise to Al NO3 thrice plus CO2 plus H2. Okay, so now nitrogen atoms are balanced. Next one, now balance the third preference to carbon. Check it once. Here how many carbons are there? 3. Here only 1. So that's why we can write the carbon dioxide can be multiplied by 3. So Al2 CO3 thrice plus 6 HNO3 gives rise to 2Al NO3 thrice plus 3 CO2 plus H2O. Okay, carbon atoms also balanced. Now carbon atoms also balanced. Next, fourth, water means hydrogen. So 6 hydrogens are there. Here only 2 hydrogens are there. So the water molecule can be multiplied by 3. 3 2s are 6. So here also hydrogens also balanced. So the next balance are oxygen atoms. Oxygen atoms. Check it once. How many oxygen atoms are there? 3 3s are 9 and 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 9 27. So 27 oxygen atoms are there here. Plus 3 9 and 3 3s are 9. 9 2s are 18. So here also total 27 oxygen atoms are there. So total equation can be balanced. So this is the balanced chemical equation. Okay. So now aluminum carbonate react with nitric acid to form aluminum nitrate plus carbon dioxide plus water. Carbon dioxide plus water. So this is the first we can write the elements. So aluminum, carbon, oxygen, hydrogen and nitrogen are there. Next one. So the frequency number we can write. We can write the frequency number. First write the frequency number. So the number of places in the total chemical equation. So that is called frequency number. And after that we can write the order. We can write the order. So some rules are there. First of all, first rule is write frequency number. The second rule is start balancing with the least frequency number. And after that, if same frequency number, then what we can do? First give the first preference to metallic element first. And after that, same frequency number to same metallic element, then what we'll do? The first preference to highest atomic number of metals. At the same time, non-metals also is same there. And means non-metals also, the highest atomic number non-metal is there, and that is to give the first preference. And here total four frequency numbers are same. So in these four, metallic element aluminium, so that's why we can give the first preference to aluminium. And after that, carbon, hydrogen and nitrogen is there. These three are non-metals, so that's why the highest atomic number is nitrogen. That's why we give the preference to second position. And after that, carbon atomic number is 6, so that's why third position. And hydrogen fourth position. And oxygen, its frequency number 5 and fifth position. Okay, clear? So according to this one, first aluminum atoms checked. So 2 aluminum atoms are there. So here only 1 is there. So that's why multiply this one by 2. And after that the second one, nitrogen. So these nitrogens, 6 nitrogens in the product side. So that's why here multiplied with 6. So nitrogens also balanced. And the third one, carbon. And the carbons are checked. So 3 carbons are there. So that's why we can multiply with 3. And next one, hydrogens. Hydrogens, here 6 hydrogens are there. In the product side, only 2 hydrogens are there. So that's why multiply with 3. And next one, oxygen. So total oxygens, 27 oxygens are there. Here also 27 oxygens are there. So total balanced. Okay. Thank you.